this chapter, we will revise some question of the chapter, A Body and Amazing Machine also, okay? Together we will revise, we will complete our revision today only, because from Monday onward you are having examination. So please get ready for exam. Here is the objective question. If you have read the chapter, if you have seen all the videos, okay, and you are studying, then you can able to give the answer of these questions. We should jump on the decks. It is a common sense now. Never. Answer is never, okay? We should always walk on where? Footpath, road, roof or table. Where should we have to walk? Always you walk on footpath, okay? We should stay calm in case of accident. Yes, we should stay calm, okay? So it is true only. Now you have to write S for safe activity and U for unsafe activity. Okay? Means whether this is a safe activity or unsafe activity, you have to find it out. You say whether it is safe or unsafe. Running on road is safe activity or unsafe activity? It is unsafe, okay? Using a zebra crossing, safe or unsafe? Safe. Hitting others, safe or unsafe? It is unsafe, okay? Fighting with brothers, safe or unsafe? It is also unsafe activity. Now children, you have to write 2 rules that you have to follow at home and then you have to follow in school. You can write any 2 rules. Like that at home what you will do? Stay away from electric gadget, that only we are doing now at home. And don't touch any sharp object. Like that only you write. In school what you will do? 2 activity, don't run in corridor, don't jump on decks. Like that 2 activity you have to write. You can write by yourself also. You can find your own points also. Whatever is given in answer, no need to write. You use your mind, you use your common sense and you give your answer, okay? What is not you have to do in school, okay? Now give reason, we should follow safety rule. Why we are following the safety rule? We are following safety rule to avoid accident, okay? To prevent ourselves from accident. So we follow safety rules to avoid accident, okay? We should handle electric plug carefully. Why? Otherwise we can get electric shock. We can get electric shock. So it is very important to handle the electric plug carefully. We should not take any medicine without asking our elders, because maybe wrong medicine can harm us. So we will not take any medicine without asking our elders, okay? So these are the questions. So now we are going to discuss some of the question of Our Body and Amazing Machine. For example, what is an organ system? Okay children, what is an organ system? Different organ. In the organ system there will be the different organ. Okay, so first is different organ that carry out one particular function of the body form an organ system. Means there are different organs, but what they are doing? They are doing one work together only. So in your own word also you can give answer that different organ who are performing a single task. Okay, means different organ who are working together for a particular, for the one work only, for the one purpose only. That is only known as organ system. For example, in digestive system, all the organ, whether it is mouth, okay, then food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, all are working for what? All different organs are working for digestion of food only. So these all organs together form organ system known as digestive system. So you understand now what is organ system? Different organ, okay, working together for a one purpose, for a single purpose, okay, for one particular purpose, okay, are known as organ system. Now what is the function of digestive system? What is the function of digestive system? The function of digestive system is to digest the food that we have eaten. Okay, the function of digestive system is to digest the food that we have eaten. Okay. Which skeletal system help us to breathe? Respiratory system help us to breathe. Which system? Respiratory system. What is skeleton? Skeleton is a framework of all the bones, okay, and it helps to protect our soft organ also. So these are the work of the skeletal system. So the bones inside our body join together to form skeleton. All the bones, okay, join together to form skeleton. Otherwise, the framework of bones are known as only skeleton, okay. Then what are the main organ of circulatory system? You know now what is the purpose of circulatory system? To circulate the blood. So what is the main organ of circulatory system? First of all, heart, that are pumping the blood, okay. Second is blood only, because this blood only is used to circulate all oxygen, digested food, everything, okay, to every part of the body. So second is blood, and third is blood vessels. It is a tube-like structure in which this blood used to flow. So what is the organ of circulatory system? Heart, blood and blood vessels, okay. So students, please keep on learning. Try to learn all the question answer by heart, and you learn the diagram also like that. If it is given, draw any object that can harm you. What you will draw? You will draw one scissor. Very easy to draw the scissor, okay. You have drawn the scissor. This is the organ object which can harm you. Then you can draw one knife also. This also harm you, okay. Then you can draw the blades also. This also harms you now, this blade. So like that you can draw and you label the name. This is scissor, this is knife, this is blade. These are the sharp objects which can harm you. Now if anyone will say draw the object which you can find in a first aid box. You can draw the things now. What is over there? There is a scissor, but there is no this thing. We can draw one cream over there, antiseptic cream. You can write. This is one. YouTube you draw. This is antiseptic cream. Then Dettol you can draw. Okay. This is the bottle of Dettol. And you write over there Dettol. Then you can draw cotton. So like that you can draw any object, okay. Band-aid also you can draw. These are the band-aid. Cotton you draw. Then you, if anyone will say you draw some road sign. You can draw the road sign now. So you learn to draw these road signs. Like that, for no parking, what is there? Simply it is written like that. That means no parking. Then roundabout, what you will do? For roundabout, it is like this only. This is only, and do please practice it nicely, okay? Drawing, not simply you will draw like this. You draw in a proper way, okay? So practice it. So children, all the best for the examination. Keep on learning, keep on practicing. Thank you. Have a nice day.